Please sit down, Wakil, before we take plea, so that I get the quorum first of all. Let me have the file. You're not ready? Is there a problem? Okay. So mungemrudishia hapo mapema saa hii ndio. Oh, okay, yeah, that would have also meant something else.
Yes. We apologize.
It's well. Now, before I even take quorum, allow me once again, because we have to keep accommodating one another.
Yes.
Allow me to apologize for having kept you waiting. Normally, I would prefer that I give advocates that first priority in court, but I had to dash to the remand because I had been told there was a crisis. I've been away on leave, and I know that there are certain things that have happened, and we were going to have a hunger strike in the making. So that is why I had to give it priority and also take time to hear their grievances and then find a way forward. Yeah, so that is why we took that long, and you have been in suits the whole afternoon on a Friday. It is not fair, but here we are.
We appreciate that.
Okay, so let me take the quorum. I hope my apology is accepted.
It is.
Yani hata you are pimaring the money to see it. Really, come on. Really? They could have given you fake?
Yes.
Oh, come on.
You know, we accept.
Thank you. You accept my apology.
Yes.
All right.
We appreciate
We
it.
understand. And we
Thank
appreciate
you.
your
Thank you.
patience.
Let me get the quorum, please. Yes.
If you may please, Your Honor,
Yes.
for the accused person,
Mm-hmm.
the representation is by Dola Ididis myself, Kinywa,
Mr. Who?
Mr. Dola Ididis, Your
Of
Honor,
course, yours I have written. I'm
Thank you.
asking the other one.
Mr. Kinywa,
Yes.
Masina,
Mr. Kinywa, Mr.
and then Mr. Kevin Walumbe,
Olumbe.
Walumbe,
Yes.
then Mr. Ray Odanga,
Yes.
then Mr. Mbudia Benson,
Where is Mr. Mbudi? Okay, Mr. Mbudi, yes.
then Peter Koira, Your Honor.
Where is Mr. Peter Koira? Where are you? Just come this way. I want to see you very well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I want to see you.
I apologize on his behalf.
Dress code. I know my coat is not one of your favorites, but dress code.
You don't have for purposes of today. I'm here for solidarity. I'll not be addressing the court today.
Okay, and so I will not have you on record. Let's just know you are here for solidarity.
That is not it.
I also apologize on his behalf, Your Honor.
Who?
On behalf of my brother,
Mr. Koira.
yes.
Why?
The dress code, Your Honor.
Well, he said
Because
he's here.
if ordinarily, he should have apologized and asked for the permission. And,
Yes, and he has not.
yeah, and he has not.
Yeah.
Yes, that's the
You know,
reason.
Mr. Koira is one of the biggest critics of this court, so I would rather that we don't get to the back and forth,
That is
so
right.
that we save each other and give each other some peace.
That is true.
All right.
We are guided.
Yes, but I have
You can make-
noted that he's here in solidarity, but I'm
Yes.
not putting it on record.
Thank you.
Okay.
You can take the plea.
All right. So, advocates, all for the accused person. Okay. So, Mr. Lempaa, Wakili, time to take plea. Yes. You ready? English or Kiswahili? It is all right.
This is Soyinka Lempaa. Tumestakuwa na koda ya kuzuia usafirishaji wa barabara ya kwamba kwa tarehe 15 mwezi wa 11 hii mwaka pale Thika Super Highway kuja flyover area Nairobi site service lane just approach Kiambu County kwa dereva pale ambao ni KBW 351F Nissan AD ndio hiyo gari kwa nazuia utoaji wa barabara ambapo unaweza kusimama mbele ya gari lingine na ukakataa kusonga, ukahatarisha wasafiri wengine kwa hiyo barabara. Kweli ama si kweli?
So please, thank you.
Shtaka la pili ilikuwa kutoka maagizo ambayo uliyopewa kufikia kwamba kwa tarehe 15 mwezi wa 11 hii mwaka pale Thika Super Highway pale Shell Prosecution entrance ya Prosecution Thika boat site ya service lane ya Juja County ambayo ni county kwa dereva alikuwa ni kesi gani SSD alikosa kufuata maagizo ambayo ilipewa na mmoja kesi Investor Kianda na ngapi ya kazi ni 111450 ambayo sawa kwa na uniform na kwa kazi yake. Naweza kukuambia unaweza kupeleka gari kwa Prosecution na badala wewe kwa unaweza kupeleka gari Shell Prosecution badala kupeleka hiyo Prosecution na kupata maagizo ambayo yanatokea. Bila masiku ya system. Shtaka la tatu ni kukataa kukamatwa na kushikwa mwezi ya kwamba 15 mwezi wa 11 hii mwaka pale Thika Super Highway pale karibu na Prosecution Thika boss Shell ya service lane ya county ambayo ni county kwa dereva ambaye ni kesi yake 51F USAID umefanya makosa ya kutoa barabara na nikataa kukamatwa na kwa polisi ambayo ni Investor Kianda na baada ya kazi ni 111450 na PC Joseph Muti namba yake ya kazi ni 9692 na Mohamed Juja namba ya kazi ni 82724 kwa polisi ambao wanafanya kazi yao.
So it is not true that is a plea of not guilty. No, go with him this way, okay? Plea of not guilty in all the 3 counts. Okay. Yes.
Allow me, Your Honor, to apply for bond and alternative cash bail
Yes.
under Article 491(1) and Section 437 of the Criminal Procedure Code.
Yes.
In making this application, Your Honor, I'll be very brief in view of time. The accused, Your Honor, was released on police cash bail of 10,000 shillings. I have a copy here. And I've consulted with my sister, and she confirms to me that she is not opposing bond and cash
Just
bail.
submit for yourself, Senior, and then she will respond.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes.
But my sister will confirm. I do not lie to court.
Okay.
There are no compelling reasons why he may not be released on cash bail or bond. The accused is an officer of the court. He is an advocate practicing in the firm of Mugeria, Kariuki and Company Advocates.
Say the name again.
He is practicing in the firm of Mugeria, Kariuki
Just a moment. It's done.
and Company Advocates.
Yes.
Your Honor, he is not a flight risk.
Yes.
The offices are based in Western Nairobi.
Yes.
Yes, he's not a flight risk. And all considered,
Yes.
we pray that he be released so that he can attend to his clients on Monday.
Okay.
Yes.
That's it? That's all?
That's all.
Okay.
And again, he is willing to abide by all conditions and terms given by the court.
Okay.
Thank you. We apologize for any other thing which. Thank you.
Sometimes it's important that we treat the system with respect,
Yes, Your Honor.
so that the system also treats us with respect.
That is true.
Yeah?
That
And
is
the
true.
system is just about people.
That is true.
Yes. Mr. Kenyo?
The cash bail, Your Honor, which was 10,000,
Mhm.
can be
No, we
used.
don't bargain. Mr. Kenyo.
Can be used.
You told me, I have put it on record.
I plead, Your Honor.
I have put it on record that he has a cash bail of 10,000, which is fine.
Yes.
So leave it to me at
I
that point.
appreciate you.
Mr. Kenyo, you want to say something?
Thank you, Your Honor. With your very kind permission,
Yes.
I do have instructions to request you to place some circumstances on record
Okay.
of the arrest, so that the court can also have a background of why this issue is very emotive and why a traffic offense has escalated.
I even asked you in the morning, all of you for one person for traffic.
It's in solidarity of our colleague.
It's okay.
Yes.
Go ahead.
When my colleague was arrested on 15th
Yes.
in Juja.
Of this month?
Yes, on Saturday.
Yes.
15th of November 2025.
Yes.
He encountered a very hostile situation when he was arrested by the arresting officer, which actually led to a violent situation where the handbrake of the vehicle had to be pulled by the officer as the car was in motion. And he also shifted the gear lever to neutral, leading to an abrupt
So
stop.
you say led to the handbrake?
Yes.
Yes.
And also pulled the lever of the vehicle,
Yes.
putting it in a neutral position. And all this had happened because the accused person, Mr. Lempaa, had been told by the policeman to head to the police station. They were actually on the service lane on the way to the police station.
Yes.
So when he told the officer that the officer needed to fuel his car because he would not assist the police with their duties, to perform their duties.
Sorry?
He informed the policeman
Yes.
that they would have to refuel
Yes.
at the policeman's expense, because those were official duties of the police. That's what he informed the police, and that's what led to this situation where, as he was headed or he was driving to the police station, to the petrol station, with the policeman on the passenger side, the left-hand side. When he was on his way to the petrol station and passed the police station, that's when the police jacked the handbrake and put the.
Also, he drove past the petrol
Yes.
pump,
No, before the petrol
petrol
pump.
station.
Yes, he was going on his way, and so they were having this conversation where the policeman wanted him to drive to the police station instead.
Yes.
Now, to try and be very brief, this culminated into a situation where Mr. Lempaa was assaulted, and where the arresting police officer asked for backup
Yes.
from Juja police station, which was just a few meters near where they were on the service lane.
Yes.
Now, apart from calling for backup, Mr. Lempaa was also insulted
By whom?
by the arresting officer.
Yes.
Don't know if I cannot say the words because it's profanities that were made by this police officer. So the police officers came as backup. The other, they call them arresting officers.
Yes. Miriam, just a moment, Mr. King. You can be processing this. Yes, sorry. You don't need to tell me the profanities. If you know, let's just go on.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. So the vehicle
Yes.
that Mr. Lempaa was using was damaged in the melee where he was arrested, he was handcuffed. He
Yes.
had also been assaulted, so there was damage that was occasioned to his vehicle.
Yes.
The windscreen and also the key, the ignition.
Yes.
And there were items in his vehicle, mainly some yogurt that he had bought for his children.
Somewhat?
Yogurt. His vehicle was actually ransacked when it was towed forcefully to the police station.
Yes.
Mr. Lempaa was able to obtain the receipt that proves that at the time between his arrest and before arrest, he had actually purchased those products.
Okay.
So the police did not carry out an inventory. And his car was forcefully towed to the yard.
Yes.
He was dragged in handcuffs, frog marched by at least 5 officers
Yes.
to the station.
Yes.
After which, by the time he got to the station, they had an interrogation where he was recorded. And again, Your
They
Honor,
interrogated him, or you're saying they had an interrogation?
they interrogated him when he was in handcuffs.
Yes.
They actually took a video, and I think this is why we are having so much back and forth with social media, because they
Who took the
circulated
video?
one of the arresting officers. Took a video of Mr. Lempaa and when he was in handcuffs.
Yes.
Mr. Lempaa asked to see his lawyer, but they denied.
This was just a simple traffic offense.
Yes, Your Honor, it escalated. And when it came to that issue of assault and so on, it became a very big, convoluted issue.
Yes.
So that video is actually right now circulating in social media.
Somebody mentioned it, but I have not seen it. Maybe I don't have the.
It is there.
I have not had the privilege of seeing anything. But yes.
It is there, Your Honor, and it was circulated immediately after we got bail for him. I'll explain that. So those are.
As you say that, Mr. King, do you
Yes.
now understand why I am saying this recording and this social media thing? We
Yes.
really have to be very careful about what we are doing.
I agree, Your Honor. I agree.
Absolutely, because once it's out there, you're not in control of how it's perceived, how it's and what it's used for.
Yes.
It's very sad.
Yes, Your Honor. And the narrative, you see, the fact that there was a narrative
Yes.
that is actually out there
Yes.
is a problem, because it created a narrative that Mr. Lempaa was there. They actually edited the video to make it look like he said he will fix them. Well,
Yeah, I have not seen it, so
yes, Your Honor. So apart from that, they also deflated the wheels of his car when they took it to the yard, the police yard.
yes.
And most importantly, an issue I don't want to forget, Mr. Lempaa asked to record a complaint.
At the station.
Yes, when I arrived at the station, and we managed to secure cash bail.
Yes.
He requested that his complaint be recorded and an OB be issued, an OB number be issued.
Yes.
But the police declined to do that. And as we mentioned, there is actually a miscellaneous application that we have filed
Before this court?
before this court.
Okay.
Today? No, it was filed on Monday.
Okay.
It was filed on Tuesday, sorry. It's case number, miscellaneous case number E542.
That's criminal
Yes.
or just criminal case?
It's criminal.
application?
Criminal.
Yes. Number?
E542 of 2025.
Yes.
Purely on that issue of the police declining
What's the gist of the application?
The gist of the application, Your Honor, is we are seeking to compel the OCS to
Which
record
OCS? Which station?
Juja,
Okay, yes.
to record the accused person's complaint,
Yes.
since we needed it to be able to get a P3, because he also had some injuries on his hands when he was handcuffed.
Yes.
So Mr. Lempaa did go to a hospital, but unfortunately there is no P3. The police have even declined to receive service.
Has it
of this
been dealt
application.
with, the application?
It's coming up next week on 27th.
Before which court? Okay, it's all right.
Court 4, Your Honor.
It's okay,
Because
as
5
long
were
as
on
it's
our
been
court.
dealt with, that's
Yes.
fine. And
Yes.
directions have been given.
Yes.
Okay.
So those are the circumstances which have led to us being in court in this manner.
Now I understand why all of you are here.
Yes, Your Honor, I have to say this because I know you'll allow me to say it.
Yes.
We have also been treated very unfairly by the police station at Juja. I personally,
Oh,
because we had gone to serve them and they just declined service and they said they throw our papers out.
service of the
Of
The directions in the
application. Yes, Your Honor.
oh,
That's what has led to this polish, because if it was contained in a proper manner, then we wouldn't be here today. But we are here in solidarity with our colleagues because of that kind of treatment that I have also witnessed. And on
when
Saturday,
you say solidarity, I
Yes.
understand because I have had advocates stand in solidarity for me
yes,
Thank you.
in the near past, so I understand what you're
and we'll do
saying.
that again.
Nkoira knows about it,
Yes,
even though he chooses to define it in whichever way he defines it. But that's fine, so I
Yes.
understand.
that's why we are here. Mr. Lempaa is a distinguished human rights
Yes, I know him.
and when he does these things, it's what he would have done for his client. So that's why we feel that we must also help him, because if you help other people, I think they say a barber cannot shave himself,
It's true. A doctor cannot treat
treat
himself.
himself. So we have to be here in solidarity with him because of the things that he does for us as society.
All right,
Yes.
I've heard you.
And just for the record, Your Honor, we would stand by you because you are also one of our you are our
With
colleague.
the exception of Mr. Koira.
I always say that members of the bench are our colleagues.
Yes, it's actually one coin, different sides.
Yeah, we are one
Heads and
family.
tails.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, Your Honor.
I hear you. That's all?
Yes, Your Honor.
Someone else wants to tell me anything, or you associate?
Only thing my brother did not say, we will wish to produce that video at the appropriate time. The one which has gone viral,
Okay.
which was taken at the police station.
Though now in this one, in this
Yes,
particular
Yes,
traffic,
in this criminal.
in the traffic-
In the traffic,
during the hearing.
during the hearing.
Okay.
We'd like to make
And
that.
I'm glad I'll not be here during the hearing.
No.
Okay, with the light touch, yes. You will miss me.
Yes, you are.
Okay, does any other advocate want to say anything? Mr.
Walumbe,
Yes,
as you have noted, this is a minor traffic infraction
yes.
that has gone overboard. And our plea will be that the court finds it appropriate to release Mr. Lempaa on bail.
Now again, you know you are contradicting senior. Senior
Yeah.
said 10K.
Senior said Mr. Lempaa has the 10,000 that he had posted as bail at the police station,
Which he asked me to use.
which the court can use, but at your discretion,
Yes.
if you find it appropriate, can be released on free bond, so that we are not scaffolds of having but he's an officer of the court, he will
Okay.
attend court.
Okay. And just so you know, Mr. Walumbe, these days there are no struggles making the payments. We don't handle cash. System generated everything. Then we just process. Okay. But I've had you as well, and it's on record. Okay. Who else? Mr. Is it Oda? Okay. Who else? Mr. Is it Odanga? Did I get the name right? Let me just go back to the Mr. Odanga. Yes. Your associate. Yes, Mr. Mbudia. Yes.
Your Honor, mine is just to confirm what Mr. King has submitted. This morning, when I arrived at Juja police station,
Yes.
I found a rather unfortunate scenario where the officers were treating Mr. Kenywa and Mr. Lempaa
Yes.
shabbily. They were shouting at them, having declined service, and uttering things that shouldn't be shouted at advocates. Your Honor, it's unfortunate because knowing that they are advocates, in our line of work, we do encounter police officers. There should always be a cordial relationship.
Yes, yes.
So for them, knowing that, to be uttering insults, it's very unfortunate. Eventually, we had to leave the papers on a bench, but not on a bench. We left them on a desk, whereby an officer just threw them out. So it is rather unfortunate, and that is what has necessitated our presence here today, Your Honor.
Yes.
That is all. Your Honor, I'm reminded that I know it is constitutional.
Take this, Marie. Let's just be processing bit by bit. Yes. Sorry.
I know it is a constitutional right, but I'm reminded to make an application that will be supplied with all documentary evidence and any evidence that the Constitution shall seek to rely on in this case.
And witness statements.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so all the counsels have addressed the court. Let's hear from the prosecution. Yes. Yes.
And since it's clearly another matter before court, I believe in this one we can proceed and read as it is. You can have a date for
So that's it, prosecution?
that's it. I'm looking to see.
So let me go ahead and give directions in this matter. But madam from Juja, who is the OCS now? I know there's been changes. Sorry? Okay, no, we've not met. I think we met with the previous one at the CUC. Inspector who? Yes. So I've not met the new OCS. How long has he been there? Okay. All right, it's well, but you can just pass the message of the court that it doesn't have to be this way. Something can be done, and as the OCS, he can rise above it and have a sitting with the advocates and see how they can resolve this. Okay? Yeah. I don't know if you would be interested in that kind of a resolution. I don't know. But I feel that something can be done about it. Kenya, you want to say something? Kama ni fine mtalipa, there is still time.
I'm agreeing with you, Joanna. There is room for a lot of things happening. We'll
Yes.
see what will happen.
Yes.
We'll of course take your advice seriously.
Yes.
As a
And is
senior.
the OCS aware of this?
He is.
Did you manage to see the OCS?
I saw him,
Yes.
and we did talk. He introduced me to the traffic officers because he
Okay.
told me that this was a matter for the traffic-based commander.
Yes.
He didn't want to get too involved. However, Your Honor, when your officers embarrass you,
Yes, you must take charge and
Yes.
and give it proper direction
yes,
as the in charge. Just like if you came to me and complained about any of my JUs, I would have to sit in on that and see how it works out.
yes, Your Honor, and specifically on the issue of recording a complaint. Because if you deny us that right, then you look a bit biased towards covering up for
But
some.
where else are we supposed to record it then if you deny us that?
Exactly. Your Honor.
Yes.
So that was one of the key issues that made the accused very aggrieved. I was also aggrieved because we did request for them to record, but we were told
Yes.
to wait for the OCS.
Mm-hmm.
And at that time, to be honest, I talked to the OCS, but he wasn't able to come back to the station. I don't know why. Those who were there were not very helpful. And even this miscellaneous case that we filed, it was unnecessary. All that was needed was the recording of a complaint.
Yes.
And since they are the ones who are recording, it's an allegation, it has to be proven. So why would they refuse
To record.
just have it recorded that Mr. Lempaa was saying that he had been harmed, and some of those injuries, especially on the
hands.
wrists,
Yes.
where the handcuffs had been, where they were very apparent.
Yes.
So it's something that anyone could actually see that his wrists were swollen.
Yes.
It was not something that we just made up to try and flip the narrative.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, but I'll also say this to us as counsels, as legal persons. Just sit, Mr. Penach, okay? Allow me to also say that sometimes you probably have no blame in it. But remember also, it takes two to tango. And you might be on this end trying to be very reasonable, but the other person is not.
Yes, Your Honor.
So again, as professionals and owing to the tenets of our profession, sometimes I'll not say you comply, but I would say be the bigger person in the picture. So that then as we go forward with that complaint or with that issue, it will emerge that one of you was actually the bigger person in the picture. I'm not insinuating anything. I'm just reminding us that we are above certain things, and the legitimate expectation of how an advocate or a judicial officer should behave, we should try also and uphold. I know sometimes the circumstances can be very provoking,
Yes.
but we have to again try and maintain our cool. Because again, remember, there are some stories that probably things get out of hand and God forbid somebody has lost their lives. In that whole simple process, and nobody is able to account for how that life was lost. You get?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, well, sometimes it's beyond us, but we are called upon to do what? I don't know if I'm making sense, to be
You are
the bigger person in the picture. And so I would want to, I don't know if Court 4 will be able to summon the OCS and just have a sit down and let him know what this means.
Yes, Your Honor.
So that you don't need an order to go and record that complaint. That if it is okay, which it should do, that is their work, they should just record the complaint, accord him whatever he needs from them, and then everything else goes on. That is my thinking,
I agree.
my simple
I certainly-
thinking in it.
I do agree.
Yes. Mr. Odanga, do you think we should fight some more in this matter? The fight is already bad as it were. I don't know what is trending out there in that video,
I
but
tend to agree with you on that.
yes.
Yes.
Yeah, let's see if that is possible, that the OCS, because even for him, for his CV and PR, surely you don't need an order to record a complaint, to record a complaint and just give the OB number. Whatever they want to do with it is up to them. Yeah? Yeah, just my simple thinking. Miss Miroya, you're still waiting. But I've taken all pleas.
The subject is in custody. I thought they're here.
Where?
The file is here. I thought
Oh, it's not been called out. We are not done with Plea, Marie?
No.
Hey, oh, this one has taken so long. So I want us to first agree on a convenient hearing date and a pre-trial date, okay? Pre-trial stroke mention before I read out my directions. And at this point, I also want to inform you that I am on transfer to Kibra Law Court, and so is my court number 2, court number 7, court small claims court number 1. So we are quite a number of us on transfer, and that means there's a new incoming head of station and court number 2 and the other courts. So I want us to go through our diaries and check a convenient date that falls on any day except Tuesdays. And I am looking at the 2nd of March 2026 and the 4th of March 2026. That's where our diaries are at. So just pick a date and tell me which one is convenient.
2nd of March. 2nd.
Confirm, just confirm. Give Paris this, Maribi. Paris, are people paying now?
Yes, sir.
They've queued to pay.
Yes, sir.
We are agreeable on the 2nd of March.
2nd of March next year, God willing. A pre-trial date, also in the new season. Any day except Tuesday and Friday. I can even give it specific time so that you appear virtually. Yes.
That's not a way.
Simwangalie simu zenu zitawapatia next year, ama yule ako na diary ako mbele ya kila mtu ako na 2026 haraka haraka please, so that I process the other people in the cells.
You know, most of us are about to close for Christmas, so we can still it next year.
Yes, I've said in the new season.
Yes.
We can look at January towards the end.
January in the middle. January in the middle. So any date in
Towards
January.
the last week of January.
The last
Already
week.
give me the last week of January before court 2. Look at your local diary. Really diary in my parents. 20?
28th of January.
What day of the week is that?
Wednesday.
Can we take that and I give specific time allocation?
We are agreeable, Your Honor.
Okay, so that then we have,
Time allocation.
we
You
can
appear
see
virtually.
at what time are you done mostly with matters? By 12 at least? After most callovers and time
By
allocation.
12, Your Honor, we are agreeable.
So we say 12:30.
12:30.
And I can say virtually, so that whoever takes over the file will be informed accordingly. So here is the way forward. Mr. Lempaa, no, just sit. I hope I have made sense in what I have said, that sometimes, and you know that because you're our senior, it takes two to tango, but you can always be the bigger person in the picture. And I'll just leave it at that for now. But what has happened is very unfortunate. I will not judge anyone because I am probably the only person here who doesn't know what happened. All of you, the rest of you know. So I have considered submissions by the defense counsels on record, that is for the accused person and those by the prosecution. And I have also taken into consideration the nature of the charges hearing, that is in counts 1 up to 3. It's basically traffic offenses. And I make directions as below. Number 1, that the defense be supplied with copies of all witness statements, documentary evidence, intended exhibits, anything that they intend to use, so that the defense may prepare adequately for hearing. Number 2, that the accused person may be released on a cash bail of Kenya shillings 20,000. Number 3, that the issues raised by defense counsel in submissions on what transpired during the arrest of the accused person are very unfortunate and a little embarrassing, but the same can only be addressed and or resolved through the right channels and the right forum, beginning with the accused person being given his chance to record his complaint at the relevant police station, so that he may also have his concerns properly and fully addressed, either through the system or ADR preferably. I love peace, so most of the time I'll tell you through any other alternative resolution, if it's possible, Mr. Lempaa. That's my take. This file is allocated to court number 2 for hearing and determination. Hearing on the 2nd of March 2026, God willing. Pre-trial or mentioned 28th January 2026 at 12:30 p.m. virtually. Allow me to say this, Mr. Lempaa. This is a very simple offense. It's a very simple traffic offense. In fact, obstruction, we all obstruct in some way or the other. And you pay the fine or you say the sorry and you leave. So there must have been a lot at play for it to get to where it got to. I wouldn't know what exactly happened, but I apologize for that. We are all, just a moment, allow me to finish. We are all in this system, and I keep saying it has to work for us either way, for all of us the same way. Yes, Mr. Lempaa. Just sit. You may sit. Okay.
Ikiwa gari yako kuna hii na mimi mwenye kado, kwa sababu katika desturi polisi hupitia watu ambao wanaendesha gari ndogo. Wanataka kununua gari kubwa ndio kulete mabadiliko kama mageuzi kwa fikra na mitazamo ya polisi kwa watu ambao wanaendesha gari ndogo. Napitia hapa, tunaendesha gari ndogo, huyu anaendesha tractor au Plea, alafu wanauliza kwa nini hujashika ile wewe umeshika.
Yes.
Ndio mtazamo na ndio fikra za polisi. They have an attitude against small people. Not that we can't buy big cars, we can take loans. Your car is a priority.
Yes.
But the police mentality on the road is that the poor man there is more vulnerable to pay what? Longura, when but mwingine akijua na yeye police hard is actually turning at huku pale ngoi yale kamuliza bwana you not arrest this one ananiambia wewe unataka nikushike mdozi wangu anza parado usasikia nimetika U-turn on the paper kama ni mimi akiniambia nimekushika na mwambia kama hujashika huyu ataniambia asante sana pesa.
I have heard you, Mr. Lempaa. Like you've said, rightfully so. People's priorities are different. And there are people who even believe in simple living, high thinking. That you don't have to drive that which your neighbor is driving. You can even be walking to work or cycling to work. It's healthy. But I don't know about the mentality, and well, it is okay. I have heard you. And yes, so Mr. Dollar and your soldiers, please process quickly as I'm seated here with Senior, and let him go home.
Thank you, Your Honor.
But I also want to say I would prefer that that application pending need not be had on merit, not because of any shortcut, but for obvious reasons. That if I have a complaint, automatically I'll go to the police station to lodge that complaint. Just the same way any other person will go and record that complaint. So if it is possible, I would want and I would prefer and I would suggest that we find a way to just record that statement without the court order. Because with that court order, it does not look very good on all of us. Yeah. Especially the person who is supposed to do that bit, the police.
I even know that giving false information to the police is false. Why can't they allow me to give the false information so that
Yes, I would want them to allow you so that then they charge you with giving false information if that were the case. But either way, even a madman can walk to the police station and say what he needs to say in his madness. Yeah? Because if you can't go there for that kind of service, where would you go to? Yeah. So, Dola, you're very good in these things, mediation,
grateful, Your Honor.
and very peaceful. Apart from the fact that you sued those who crucified Jesus, but you
He had his right as well.
did you know that, Mr. Kenya, that the man seated next to you sued those who crucified Jesus?
I'm aware.
And he said he served them. He's waiting for them to file a response. So, apart from that, he's very good in bringing peace
Thank you.
everywhere. He's done that here, and he's among our very, you know, those advocates who you look for where you need to make peace.
Yes.
Yes, including the young man behind him there. So he's been a very good example to all of us. So I'm hoping that it will not get to that point where the OCS will be compelled.
Your Honor, we call the OCS.
Mm.
I was an OCS myself.
Yes, this is now that I didn't want to say it.
I will call him.
Yes.
And he's my friend anyway.
Oh, yes,
Yes, I will call him and see if he can sort it out for the
Yes.
benefit of
everybody.
all of us.
Yes, yes.
you know, for the memory, I also covered that by the time he's getting those people who allegedly.
You should Kina Judas and the
I
rest.
was a journalist, I covered
Yes. I've come a long way with my brother. Over 20 years I've known him.
And I see you're a faithful friend. So process him,
Thank you.
and it shouldn't take more than 10 minutes out there.
We will do
Yeah.
our best. We are grateful. Your Honor.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Your Honor. We are much obliged.
And I'm sorry, now you may remove the blazers as you go out. I know it's a Friday.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, sure.